Hello, and welcome to Cal Poly's Cal State Apply tutorial series. In this video, we'll be covering the financial and parent information tile in the personal information quadrant. Now, before we get started, please note that the financial and parent information section is only used for statistical purposes, and it does not in any way impact your financial aid eligibility. This information will also be used to determine your eligibility for an application fee waiver. Now, to begin, you will go ahead and navigate to the top section of household income size and information. You're going to read each statement below and decide if any of those apply to you. If you answer yes to any of the questions, then you are considered an independent student by federal regulations, and if you choose no, you're considered a dependent student. Go ahead and select the answer that best describes your situation. Now, depending on your choice, you will enter the total number of individuals in your household in the specified year. And this will include yourself, your domestic spouse, or all dependents if you're an independent student, and yourself, parents, and other household members if you're a dependent student. Next, you will enter the adjusted gross income for the specific year. Whether you are looking at your personal finances, your parents' income, or guardian's income, you can find this information on your previous year's tax forms. The next section will ask you to indicate yes or no, and whether you're interested in living on-campus housing. And finally, you will choose the highest level of education for each of your parents. Choose whichever option matches their situation. Now, once you've gone through each of these sections, click Save and Continue, and you're ready to move on to the next section of the application. Thank you for watching, and feel free to contact our office if you have any further questions.